In this video, we are going to solve problems in which the number of terms of given AP will be calculated. Problem number 15. Which term of AP 5, 11, 17, 23 is 47? According to problem, first term A is equal to 5. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 11 minus 5, that equal to 6. Nth term An is equal to 47. N has to be calculated. Let us write formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, 47 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. That implies 5 plus n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 47. N minus 1 into 6 equal to 47 minus 5. Here plus 5 on LHS will be minus 5 when it is shifted from left hand side to right hand side. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 42 by 6. Here 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 7. N equal to 7 plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 8. Problem number 16. How many two-digit numbers can be divided by 3? Here we have to list the numbers, that is the two-digit numbers which will be divided by 3. Lowest two-digit number that is divided by 3 is 12 and highest two-digit number which will be divided by 3 is 99. Therefore, first term A is equal to 12, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3. Nth term An is equal to 99. We have to calculate number of terms n. Let us write formula, that is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute 99 for An, 3 for D and 12 for A. Therefore, 99 equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Therefore, 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99. Therefore, n minus 1 into 3 equal to 99 minus 12. N minus 1 equal to 87 by 3. 87 is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 29. That implies n is equal to 29 plus 1. The value of n equal to 30. Problem number 17. Is 301 a term of an AP 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on? In this problem, we have to calculate number of terms of given AP. If n will be a natural number, then 301 will belong to this AP. Otherwise, 301 does not belong to this given AP 5, 11, 17, etc. Let us write AP, that is 5, 11, 17, 23, etc. First term A is equal to 5. Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 11 minus 5, that is equal to 6. Nth term An is 301. Let us write formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values, that is 301 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. 5 plus n minus 1 into 6 equal to 301. Therefore, n minus 1 into 6 equal to 301 minus 5. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 296 by 6. N equal to 296 by 6 plus 1. That is, n is not a natural number. Therefore, 301 does not belong to 5, 11, 17, 23, etc. Problem number 18. Which term of an AP is root of 98, whose first term is root 2 and common difference is root 2. According to problem, we have to calculate number of terms n. Nth term an is root 98, a is root 2 and common difference d is root 2. Formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, root 98 equal to root 2 plus n minus 1 into root 2. That is, root 2 plus root 2n minus root 2 equal to root of 49 into 2, because 49 2s are 98. Here, root 2 is written as it is. Here, we multiplied root 2 with n minus 1. It will be root 2n minus root 2. That is equal to root of 49 into 2. Here, root plus root 2 minus root 2 get cancelled. So, in next step, we have root 2 into n equal to 7 root 2, because square root of 49 is 7. Therefore, n equal to 7 root 2 divided by root 2. Here also root 2 get cancelled. Therefore, n equal to 7. Therefore, root of 99 is 7th term.